I was sent this bottle of Dermelect Rapid Repair Balancing Serum. I've been using it now for about a week and I've really liked the results. This is what it looks like when it comes out. So I just put it on my fingertips and then massage it into my skin. And you can actually use this on your neck and your face. It doesn't have a sticky feeling. It's very, very lightweight. And what's great about it is it's very hydrating. So you get that instant hit of hydration. And then I love that it has prebiotics in it. It has some great ingredients, even green tea and aloe are in there, plus hyaluronic acid, which is so good for just keeping your skin looking really youthful. So here's the after real quick, just so you can see. That was with one pump of it. You could do 2 pumps if you wanted to have a little extra. So I might use a little more just on the neck area here and then on the upper chest area. Throw a little on there. You could use it day or night, but I tend to use this in the evening time. And there you have it, just that glowing skin. It's all getting absorbed right now, so it is still a little bit damp on my face, but it's all getting absorbed, and I love the ingredients in it, and I so far really like the results.